Hello, everybody. It's Tina from Tina's Crafty Life. How are you today? I hope you are good. I am here with my weekly planner from January 25th to January 31st. Can you believe it's the last week of January already of 2021? God, it went fast. So, this week, it's just as simple because I totally forgot to do it, so I just did it in the last 20 minutes. I just added these stickers I had. It says January here, day off, Scott's schedule. All the way. He works only Monday or Wednesday and Thursday this week. And it's my mama's birthday on the 27th. So I did a little memorial because she's in heaven. And then today it says, you got this, Mixed Media Monday, 2 Central Standard Time, 3 Eastern, 1 Mountain, 12 Pacific Standard Time. It's my Mixed Media Monday. I'm all excited about this, guys. I can't wait. I hope to see you guys there. And then I have Project, You Got This. And it says, I can and I will. And then I have January down on the bottom. Then I have just little banners. And it says, enjoy the moment. And then I have rent, giveaway. Oh, there was a hint, guys. I have a giveaway. But not on this video. So pay attention. Go check out what videos I loaded this week and figure out which one I have a giveaway on. Yes, it's a giveaway. Hint. So it goes all week long. And I picked a winner on Saturday. But you have to figure out what video that it's going to be on. So that's all I'm giving you. And then I got choose your own path, make it happen, be amazing, enjoy the little things. And then just little banners. So it's real simple because I usually do this Sunday. I sit that back and I decorate my planner on Sunday. And for some reason, totally forgot about it. So I just did a real quick one so you guys can see it. I don't have all the information in here, what's going on in other channels. And if you see this and you have something going on in your channel, leave it in the comments because I'll add it to my planner because I haul out my planner off and on saying what's going on and when I do videos. So I want to thank you all for watching. And like I said, go find a video that I have a giveaway on and leave your comment. Yeah, because there's a key word in there you have to put in to be entered. So that's the only hint I'm giving you. So as always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. Bye for now, everybody.